Hello, today I want to speak to you about the forest management, how we can manage it in a way that we can harvest trees, harvest logs, but still the forest regenerates itself. Let's say we have trees, big ones, let's say we want to harvest it, but how we can harvest them and then doesn't need to replant new trees. We have to wait until the big ones put in oak trees, and then when they have an oak trees, then the new ones they start to sprout. You can see here we have a young, in 1 square meter we have at least 20. When we plant usually of oak trees or other trees, we plant 1 per square meter maximum, but here we have 20. You can see here we have bigger ones from previous years and even bigger ones. So what we have to do is wait until the new ones comes, then it's best to prune the leaves higher if possible. Then we have a light sunshine coming into the young ones, and then when they become 2-3 years old, then we can harvest this one, the big one. Of course we can harvest it even in the first year, but usually we know that there is communication and the big ones help the young ones sharing water and nutrients through the mycorrhizal fungi, and it's best to leave it at least 2-3 years. But the young ones need sunshine, and if it's shady, if it's more dense, if the big ones are denser, it's best to leave the big ones, the mama trees, longer, few years, and then harvest them. And then in this area we're gonna have at least 100 trees replacing the old one, and then in this way we actually have a denser forest than we are currently having. So this is the way we manage the forest. I wish you have a good day.